Hi, beautiful people. Welcome to PsySigns, where we decode behavior and help you build emotional clarity. And today we're talking about 6 things that girls wish guys just knew. Because, let's be honest, girls think guys should just know. And guys think girls are sending secret signals written in invisible ink. So today we're bridging that gap. We're talking about 6 things girls wish guys just knew, without having to explain, beg, hint, overthink, or repeat it 100 times. If you're a girl watching, you're gonna be nodding the whole time like, yup, this is so true. If you're a guy watching, congrats, you already care more than most men, and that says a lot about you. So let's sit tight and uncover what these 6 things are. Let's dive right in. 1. She wants you to notice the little things, not just the big ones. Girls wish so badly that guys just understood how much the little things matter. It's not always the big gestures. It's not always buying stuff or saying some huge romantic line. Sometimes it's noticing her new hairstyle, saying you look nice today when she wasn't trying, remembering something she said 2 weeks ago, checking on her after a stressful day, or just sitting closer instead of scrolling your phone. Girls don't want you to read their minds. They just wish you paid attention to the details that show you're present with her. Guys, listen carefully. When you notice a small detail about her that nobody else sees, her brain literally explodes into butterflies. Girls crave the feeling of, wow, he actually sees me. And the funny part? You don't even need to get it right all the time. Just trying counts. When a guy remembers one tiny detail, girls literally go home and do a full TED Talk to their friends about it. 2. She needs reassurance even if everything seems fine. Here's a truth most guys don't know. Girls don't get tired of reassurance. They get tired of begging for it. Girls wish guys just knew that reassurance isn't clingy, dramatic, or insecure. It's emotional safety. And she doesn't need a whole speech. Sometimes she just needs a quick, I'm not going anywhere. You didn't do anything wrong. Hey, I'm still into you. Or even a simple, you're safe with me. Even the strongest, most independent girl in the room still likes hearing reassurance from the guy she cares about. Because girls overthink everything. If you leave them with silence, their brain creates 5 different scenarios and 3 of them are tragic. Guys, if you want to keep a girl close, give her reassurance before she has to ask. Girls overthink so much that if you reply "okay" instead of "okay," they'll think you fell out of love, moved to another country, and changed your identity. 3. She feels more loved through consistency than intensity. Girls wish guys understood this. Love doesn't come in one big moment. It's proven in what you do consistently. A lot of guys start with intensity, texting all day, calling every night, sweet words, showing effort, matching energy, then slowly stop once they feel comfortable. And girls hate that, because it feels like you liked the chase, not the person. Girls wish guys just knew that. Consistency feels like love. Effort feels like safety. Predictability feels like trust. And reliability feels like commitment. A girl doesn't want you to overwhelm her with intensity one week and disappear the next. She wants steady, gentle, normal effort. If you're consistent, she will literally brag about you to people who didn't even ask. 4. She wants you to listen, not fix everything. This one is for the guys who love solving problems. Girls wish men knew this. Sometimes she doesn't want solutions. Sometimes she just wants to be heard. When she opens up to you about something stressful, a friend issue, family pressure, school stress, emotions she can't explain, she's not always asking you to fix it. She just wants empathy, patience, understanding, a comforting voice, or just your presence. Because for girls, being listened to equals being cared for. You don't need to say the perfect thing. You don't need to give advice. Sometimes the best response is, I understand. I'm here. That sounds hard. Girls melt when guys let them express without judgment. If you let a girl rant for 7 minutes straight without interrupting, she'll love you like you invented oxygen. 5. She notices everything, even what you think doesn't matter. Guys underestimate this one so much. Girls wish you knew how observant they are. She notices the way your tone changes, the way you look at her, the shift in your energy, when you go quieter than usual, when you're worried but hiding it, when you're distancing, when your habits change, even how your texting pattern shifts. Girls pick up on emotional changes faster than most men even realize they're having emotions. This isn't because she's dramatic. It's because she's naturally tuned into the relationship dynamic. She'll notice things you didn't even notice about yourself. Sometimes she'll be like, "Are you okay?" And you're confused because you didn't even know something was wrong. Girls wish men understood that when they ask questions like that, it's not them being annoying. It's them being emotionally connected. Girls can sense your mood shift from 30 feet away, 2 doors down through concrete walls. 6. She wants you to care, without being told exactly how. Girls wish guys understood this one deeply. She doesn't need you to be perfect. She just wants you to care without needing step-by-step instructions. Girls hate feeling like they have to teach you how to show affection, beg for effort, explain basic emotional needs, repeat themselves, or feel like the only one investing. What she truly wants is a guy who takes initiative. I thought of you today. I did this because I know you like it. I remembered what you said. I checked up because I care. I tried to understand your feelings. It's not about reading her mind. It's about showing interest without needing constant reminders. When a guy genuinely cares, a girl feels it instantly. Girls don't need a perfect boyfriend. They just need a guy who tries hard. The bar is honestly in the basement. But ladies, when you meet a guy who genuinely cares for you, do not take him for granted, because if you do and end up losing him, that's a pain you will feel for a long time. And guys, do make sure you care genuinely for your ladies. If you felt this video in your soul, whether you're a guy learning or a girl relating, that means we're doing something right here. These are things girls have been wishing guys understood for years, and I hope this brought some clarity, comfort, and maybe even a few "okay, now I get it" moments. Comment below which sign hit you the hardest, or if you want a part 2 from the guy's perspective. Things guys wish girls just knew. And if you're new here, welcome to the PsySigns family. Don't forget to subscribe, because here at PsySigns, we're building emotional clarity one truth at a time. See you in the next one.